So today we are in Curaçao. Curaçao is a very high-end neighborhood just to the north of Playa. And we're in a 6,500 square foot home. It sells for $2.5 million. On the price per square foot, it's a little high, but it's due to the location that it's in, and then the furnishings are just amazing. So this room here, when you come in, it's literally probably about 2,000 square feet of open space. And I've got Daira with me, so what do you think of this space?
I like the colors, I like the details. It's very modern.
Yeah.
It's a different concept for me.
Yeah.
I think it's the first time when we see something like this.
Yeah.
Everything is like light color. I really like it.
Yeah, I really like it too. And then it's got this nice wall with a big mirror here. So can you show the mirror? So we have this nice mirror. So I suppose if you were getting ready to go, you could do your last minute makeup and stuff. And then it even has there's even a hidden bathroom through here.
Secret bathroom.
So I'm not going to go into the bathroom, but there's a hidden bathroom there. So it's a very, very open area.
A very big door.
Yeah, the door is huge. It's like 6 feet across, so about a 6 foot wide door. The walls are very textured and looks like they're acid washed to match the floors. And then in the kitchen here, let's look in the kitchen. So we're actually filming our show, Making Mexico Home, but you can see in the kitchen here how it's got gas. We've got a nice espresso machine. I mean, it's just a very well laid out home with just a ton of outdoor space. And then over here, you have the TV like viewing area for down here. So it's just a very well laid out, very well laid out house. You're lucky. So let's go upstairs. We'll check it out real quick. We're not going to do a real long tour, but I just want to give you guys a sneak peek. This house has 5 bedrooms, 6.5 baths. This, I believe, is the master. And this is one of my favorite rooms, not because of the 4-poster bed, which I think is pretty nice.
For me either. Me too. It's the best.
Your best room for you? Mm-hmm. And then the other thing I really like about this room, which you're probably going to like the closet better, but for me, as a business guy, this office area here, so you've got a very nice professional office. You've got doors to isolate yourself. So on nights where you have to work really late into the night, do conference calls or whatever, you can isolate yourself in here, not disturb anybody.
I'm ready for work. Where's my coffee?
Where's your coffee? And then you have a lot of storage cabinets for all your office stuff. And then you have a very nice, very high-end whiteboard. For those of you guys that are looking like the highest end whiteboards I've seen are these glass ones.
We have a natural light.
Yes, and there's a ton of natural light. We're right by a golf course here.
You can open the windows.
True.
If you want. No, not right now if you want.
It's just a really well laid out master, I think, for somebody that's an entrepreneur or businessman of some type. Because you can just really quick get into here, be doing your business, and then not disturb everybody. And then you want to show us the master, Daira? Or in the closet in the bathroom?
This is the master.
You want to show us the closet in the master?
Yes. It's very nice too. The colors. It's big.
And then what about this closet? Is there enough space?
Yeah, I don't know. The other is more big in the other room. It's a very good place for clothes.
It would work for you. Probably. for a bit of time. Okay, so this would be the master if I were to live here. There's probably 3 or 4 masters, I think, in this house. So let's go check out the next bedroom. No, we'll just real quick do these. So here we have kind of like a bunk bed situation here, closets here, and then so it's just a kid's bedroom here.
Yeah, kid's bedroom.
Then you have a common bathroom, like a Jack and Jill bathroom here with this
computer.
Yeah, with an extra computer. So here's the It's basically the other bedroom that connects in. This is also a very good size bedroom, and you have a big movie theater area here. So these houses, or this house is freaking huge, but it's 2.4 million. So it gives you an idea of what we're looking at. And then real quick, let's go upstairs. And here, I think we just have two identical areas. It looks like just mirrors of each other, exact mirrors. So another big area. This could also be a master if you want.
Yes, the only problem is this don't have a closet.
No closet?
No,
just
it's only this. Closet? Yeah, small closet.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so.
This is the bathroom.
So show her, go look at the bathroom.
It's a good space.
Yes. I like this. I still like the second one better. The one downstairs the best, yeah. Okay, and one more room and okay. So then this one has a much nicer closet.
Yeah. Here's more big.
So this might be a second choice for a master.
Second choice, probably.
That's where you can sleep.
And this closet, I love it.
This one's big.
Yes.
Yeah, this closet's huge.
Yeah. It's perfect.
Very solid, very well built. I like this.
Me either.
Somebody thought ahead, for sure. And then in addition to the house here, we'll try to give you a little bit of a, we're not going to go outside too much, but basically we have a huge patio out here. And then in addition,
it's like a rooftop.
This is difficult to get through.
Yeah.
So we have a huge
access.
Yeah, we have a huge patio up here. Yeah, like a rooftop. You could put, I don't know, you can put a jacuzzi, you can put grills up here, you can put a ping pong table, a foosball table, you can do all kinds of entertaining up here. And then you have a very nice swimming pool here. So a very nice swimming pool here. And you can see, I don't know if you can see in the background here, we have the golf course, which is one of the premier golf courses in Playa del Carmen. So overall, the lot is huge, the house is huge. It's just a lot for the money, and you're having to pay a little bit more because you're in Curaçao, but a very, very well-built house. So any questions on this? What's that?
Solar panels.
Oh, shit, yeah. So this house also has $120,000 worth of solar panels, so you don't even have an electricity bill here. So the beauty of buying in Mexico is you spend the money for the house. Typically, you have to pay cash. That's, there are some companies that finance, but typically you pay cash for your house. You pay 0.15% for taxes, so basically $150 for every 100,000. So on $1 million house, you're looking at $1,500. On a house like this, you're probably looking at $3,300 a year in taxes. And then you have the solar panels, so you have no electricity bill, and so you're not going to get forced out of your home due to taxes and high utility bills. Yeah, it's very hot out here. So anyway, so we're going to be doing the full episode of Making Mexico Home. Making home? So if you're interested in seeing the full version of this and the house we compared it to, make sure you watch the episode 8 of Making Mexico Home is where this house, you'll see more details on this home. So.